Hello everyone. They call me X. How to download TikTok and open new account. I will show you how to. Let's start. First of all, we open Google Play Store and write TikTok in the search section. We choose TikTok in the screen that appears and download, then we choose open. On the screen that you will see, firstly we select swipe up more and me at the bottom right. Then we choose sign up. You can register with your Facebook, Google, Twitter accounts, or your phone or email address on the screen that opens. Here we choose to register by phone and email. We first enter our date of birth. Additional information: if you are under 18, the system will not accept you. He will then ask you to either your phone number or email address for registration. Here we go to the email section, enter a valid email address and choose the next. Then we verify. After completing this, we create the password and select the next. On the screen that opens, TikTok will give you an automatic username. If you want, you change it or choose sign up and you can change it later in the profile section. Now we go back to Me section to edit our information. In this tab you can change your photo, video, name, and username. Besides, you can add your own biography, YouTube, and Instagram accounts. After completing these, it turns back and yes, you have created your TikTok account in a short time. Have fun. If you found our video helpful, please like it and subscribe.